Here, let me go get the thing.
I was touching it. That looked different.
That look like an umbilical cord. No,
It does.
oh my gosh. What nice.
And they're what, FDA and EPA approved?
Okay.
So you just pop this on and then try to pull that off. See how it stays pretty good.
And it sucks the stuff in there.
It sucks it up.
Oh.
And it has a mouth mirror.
That's so dope.
And you can autoclave it so it can be sterilized.
That's too dope.
Isn't that cool?
I love that.
And then feel how light it is.
Oh, yeah.
So you're using that when you're
When you're
indirect?
Cavitron.
Oh.
Here, feel it. Try to hold it like that.
Outside that it got the magnet
Okay.
on it.
So you use always like that? Oh, it's this way.
On the top.
And so you can retract. You see how this is also soft back here? You can retract. And then you can use your Cavitron. And so it reduces the aerosols by significant. I can't remember what I don't know if you guys watched the video.
I just saw a little bit of it.
It was like
I watched it, but it's like some of it was foreign language. I never really.
You get better and better the more you progress.
I love it. So is it on everyone or just?
Every single one has one.
Oh, that's so nice. I bet the seniors are happy.
Oh, they're excited and a little jealous.
Oh yeah, because they can barely use it.
But that's okay.
That's nice.
So you feel how the suction isn't as good? Because all the other suctions are on.
Oh, because I can hear it. What's this?
I don't know.
I hate that I don't know how to use it.
I know.
But I know it's coming. That's so nice.
It is.
I know my hygienist.
I watched the video about that.
Cavitron.
The new
Girl.
touch screen thing.
I got too much information in my head. My hygienist, her offertory has massage seats in her chair.
Ooh.
It's so nice.
This is so neat.
Now, Danielle, you know you can't use this. It's too short.
No, I missed.
Yes,
I guess if you wanted to turn the other light on, so you
Oh,
can.
I'm afraid to touch something like.
Oh no, just the light right by the door.
Oh, I think up there.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
Wish there was another. Oh, the other one's even further away.
Yeah.
There's so many buttons for so many different things.
I know.
Or you put the tape, or you put some plastic.
They don't have anything. What about it?
We might just have to put like a plastic.
Let me get like a
Oh yeah, like a little bag
keyboard,
barrier.
maybe.
Well, the first thing that you're gonna do. So never mind. I made you do that for nothing. I'm sorry. So you could put blue tape here and here and here, but
Well,
you're
you're
gonna
gonna
cavi wipe it anyway.
Okay.
So that's fine. And you can't predict where a patient's gonna
That
touch
is
because
true.
they'll touch everywhere. So the first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna take this. You're gonna plug it in here.
Oh.
I feel like doing is makes you remember more.
Yep.
And go ahead and open up the computer. Just X out of that. So this is where you would go, and this kind of tells you. Of course, some of this is all ScanX. No, actually, that should all go in there. All right, so go ahead and click on you see those little Dexes right here? We'll go ahead and click. Let's go over here.
Okay.
And you're gonna feel underneath. You might want to see it because they didn't show us. There's a green button that you press. Go ahead and press it. Then pull out so she can go ahead and show where that green button is.
Hey, okay.
So now the plan mech is coming on.
That's the power button.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
We have to turn it off at the end of every day.
Okay.
I'm so excited.
I know all the videos online were so confusing. I'm like,
This will help
or they'd be something else. And
because people can watch this and see how to work it. Can I get right here? Because I feel like
of course.
Yeah. Here you go.
You see it?
All right. So I'll just tell you what to do. All right. So this is the home screen. So go ahead and hit Panoramic. And then you're going to hit here at the bottom where there's that white face. And so this is where, so the machine is going to get adjusted. And this is where you would pick the different, like if it was a man, you'd probably pick this one. If they're even bigger, a larger individual, you pick this. A child, this.
That is so nice.
Whoops, I clicked out of it. That's fine. He got mad at me because I didn't wait. All right, so now you would just hit the middle one, or for you, you'd probably be about that size.
This medium.
Yeah.
This medium, yes. So what you would do then, I'll let you be the patient, but you would take one of these barriers. These this actually here is autoclavable. You can actually sterilize it. So, but we're gonna put this here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna tell your patient to rest their chin here, and then to bite here in these notches. Do you see the little notches? So go ahead and come over around. Of course, you'd have them remove their glasses, any piercings or anything like that. But we're just demoing this. So
on this, she doesn't have to have a vest, a lead vest.
She does not have to, but we still do the lead vest here at the school, only because it's best practice.
Yes, ma'am.
But when the Plan Mecca guy came, he goes, "That's the first time I've ever seen anyone ever use a lead vest on this machine." Yeah, because it's such low radiation.
Yeah, but still.
Just because it's a school and we don't want you going to another practice and they might not have this type of machine.
It need to be second nature.
Yeah.
Like this little poncho.
That's right. All right. So then what you would do, go ahead and take your glasses off for real effect in your mask.
You got metal all up in your hair.
I know. So what you're going to do is you're going to rest your chin here and you're going to bite here. And how does that feel?
Okay.
Yeah, you so pretty. I barely see you without your mask.
I know, it's so sad. So go ahead and bite a smile big for me. You want this line to be center. Go ahead and turn your head. There we go. In the center. And then you want this to be on the distal of number 10. So 8, 9, 10. And it looks like it's on the smile big. Oh my goodness. So, but right under here, that's where you would, do you see?
Oh, you adjust it?
This will adjust this.
Okay.
So then what you would do is you would have it close down on her temples and you'd press this button. And that's how you would do that part.
Okay.
So let me open this and go ahead and step out. So that way you can now see this process. So now that you have this up, you're going to want to click on this. And then you would hit Pano. And you just have to wait a little while.
Okay.
Oh, that's it. Loading it.
Mm-hmm.
It already did.
No, it didn't.
Oh,
No. I won't take it because the dentist is in here.
Got it. Okay.
But if he was, it just takes a while, and this screen will pop up.
Okay. There we go.
There we go. So it's saying waiting for exposure. So then what we would do is if she was right here and she bit down, so go ahead and bite down. We'll close the temple. It's hard doing it when she's the person and the patient. And then, so we'll have it on small, so we would press this. See how it's flashing? So this is getting itself into place. And also notice the button's flashing. It stopped. This is green for go, and the computer should also say it.
So all three before you start. So what happens if you...
Oh, no, it won't do anything unless it has... And then you would go over there and you would press the button.
Also, but don't do it, obviously.
Yeah, just because of the...
How neat.
But yes. You want to practice it again?
You want to go?
Yeah.
Or do it on me?
I don't know how to...
Or, she going to be stuck?
Steps.
Yeah.
I'm locked in.
It's so nice.
There we go.
Release.
And it does all the adjustments and stuff for your KV.
Everything's already set up. That's why we judge based off of the individual, and then it'll set it up for small, medium, large, extra large individuals.
That's so nice.
Yes.
I'm here for it.